Welcome, we are solving question from GATE 2017 Electrical Engineering branch. So this question is based on transient analysis. So it says that the switch in figure, this switch was closed for a long time. The switch was closed for a long time and opened at t equal to 0. So we have to find the current in the inductor. We have to find this current in the inductor. So for solve this, first for t less than 0. For t less than 0, the circuit was in steady state because the switch was closed for a long time. So in steady state, we can replace the inductor with a short circuit. We can replace the inductor with a short circuit. So I am replacing this 2 Henry inductor with a short circuit. So this inductor is shorted. So these 32 ohm resistances, they are actually in parallel. This 32 ohm and this 32 ohm, they are in parallel with this short. So they are of no use. So we can remove them. So now this is the circuit, and obviously this switch was closed. So this is the circuit at t less than equal to 0. This is the circuit at t less than equal to 0. So the equivalent resistance is this 8 and this 8 are in parallel. So 4 and 4 plus 6, 10 ohm. So the current that is coming from this is 5 ampere. The current that is coming from this voltage source is 5 ampere. And so this current is 5 ampere. So it will get equally divided in these two resistances. So this current will also be 2.5 ampere. So IL at 0 minus is equal to 2.5 ampere. The inductor current at time t equal to 0 minus is now 2.5 ampere. Now for t greater than 0, this switch was opened. For t greater than 0, this switch was opened. So now I am drawing the figure for t greater than 0. For t greater than 0, this switch was open. So now this 50 volt voltage source is of no use. So we can remove it. So this 50 volt voltage source is of no use. So what we see is this circuit. This is 32 and this is 2 Henry inductor. So this is the circuit for t greater than 0. This is the circuit for t greater than 0. Both these resistances are 32 and 32 ohm. This is 8 ohm resistance, this is 8 ohm resistance. So now this becomes a source free circuit. Now this becomes a source free circuit because there is no source in the circuit. There is no independent source in the circuit. So now this is a source free circuit. Now it becomes a source free circuit. So we will find the time constant of the circuit. So to find the time constant, this 32 and this 32 are in parallel, so it becomes 16, and this 8 and this 8 are in series, so 16. This 16 and this 16 are in parallel, so becomes 8 ohm. So R equivalent equal to 8 and L equal to 2. So the time constant tau is given as L upon R. So the time constant is 1 upon 4. So if we write the expression for exponential term, then it will be e to the power minus t by tau. So tau is 1 by 4. So the exponential term should be e to the power minus 4t. So you can see only a and b, the exponential term is e to the power minus 4t. And the initial value is 5 here and 2.5 here, but we have found out the initial current is 2.5 ampere. So option A is the correct option. So thank you, please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so because the IL at infinite, at t equal to infinite, the current will be 0 ampere in this circuit because it is a source free circuit. So IL at infinite will be equal to 0 ampere. So the current will be a decaying exponential. The current will be a decaying exponential. Because it is a source free circuit, so the current in the inductance will be a decaying exponential. So its maximum value is 2.5, then it will continue to decay. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Also please share your feedback in the comment box.